Hello coders, welcome back to the Tutorend. So guys, in this video we are going to see how we can set up MongoDB on Windows operating system. So when you search on the Google or any search engine MongoDB, then you can see this page and you have to click on this community edition, or you can just go to this link and find the community edition. So guys, before installing the MongoDB, I want to tell you something, that there are three things in the MongoDB for Windows that you have to consider. That is MongoDB itself, the server, and MongoDB Compass, which is an user interface for connecting to the MongoDB and manipulating the database. After that, there is also a command line interface tool, that is MongoDB SH or MongoSH, which we will install later. So first of all, let's install this MongoDB. So when you click on these products, so when you search on Google or any search engine MongoDB, then you will see this page, that is community edition, after the main page. Or you can just search the MongoDB community server and this page will come for downloading. So you have to click on this link, and after that you can see this page. And when you scroll down, then you get this MongoDB community server, and when you scroll down below, then you can see the versions of MongoDB. So you can select versions from here. The latest version is 7.0.1, which is stable, and you can select your operating system from here. By default it is selected Windows, so for Windows you do not have to change anything. So guys, as I have already downloaded this, then I'm not going to download it now again. So now I'm going to install this. So now when I click on this, then it is going to start up the setup windows, and here you have to click on this next. Now you can see this screen, and you have to accept these terms and conditions in order to install. So here again I'm going to click on the next, and after that you can select the installation tab, that is complete or custom. Here I'm not going to change it, just click on this complete, and here it is giving us the option to configure it for securing the database. So I'm just going to click on this next. I'm not going to change anything here, and after that here you can see install MongoDB Compass. And MongoDB Compass is a user interface for connecting with the MongoDB database and manipulating the database visually. So it is good idea to install this MongoDB Compass in order to see our database visually. Otherwise you can also use the command line, so you don't have to worry about that, but let's install it for now. So now here I'm going to click on this install, and it is going to take some time to install, so we have to wait for some time. And now you can see the MongoDB Compass has been installed, and now click on the finish, and now you can see this window where you can see the connection window. That means the MongoDB has been started already, and now you can connect with the MongoDB database by using this IP address and the port. And if you want to connect with the MongoDB Compass, that is graphical user interface for MongoDB, for that you have to click on this connect button, and now you can see the MongoDB Compass has been connected. And here you can see there are already some databases, and 3 of them are by default, and this is the one I have created myself. And now you can create database from here by clicking on this plus icon, and you can name this database anything like my app, and you can also create a collection inside this database. If you know about NoSQL, then in every NoSQL database you create documents by creating collections. So here you can give anything like orders or products, and now you can see our database has been created here. And now in this collection you can create data by pressing on this add data, and either you can import database from any other documents, or you can create a new document by clicking on this insert document. And here you can see a simple document with a ID, which is by default created by the MongoDB for every document created. I'm not going to change this ID, but I'm going to add a new attribute here, that is going to be name, and equivalent to the name I'm just going to give an example name like new order. And now you can see a document has been created in this database collection. So currently you are seeing the graphical user interface for creating the database in the MongoDB, which is the MongoDB Compass. But you can also use the MongoDB shell to perform these types of operations. And on the bottom you can see this is the MongoDB shell. And now you can also run the commands here. That, for example, let's write show dbs, and now it is going to show our databases. Alternatively, you can download the MongoDB shell from the MongoDB website. To download MongoDB shell, you have to write MongoDB shell, and you will see this page on the Google. So click on this link. If you scroll down, then you can see there are two versions of this MongoDB shell, and just click on this download, and this is going to download a zip file which is going to contain the package for or source code for this MongoDB shell. In the download, you can see this is the MongoDB shell. Now you can stack this zip file in your computer and add the path to the environment variable. So now I'm just going to stack these files inside the C drive, inside program files, and inside MongoDB. So you have to search for MongoDB. Here you can see there is already a folder named server. We have to stack this file inside the MongoDB folder. Now navigate to the program files MongoDB and open this bin folder inside this MongoDB shell, and now you can copy this path and search for edit environment variables, and in the path you can edit this and you can add a new path variable here. So just paste it, and now our MongoDB shell has been added to our environment variable. And now we can use the MongoDB shell inside our terminals like command prompt. So just write here MongoSH. So you can see we have successfully connected to our MongoDB database on this port, and now you can run the commands of MongoDB here. For example, show dbs. So you can see our databases has been shown here. Now we can navigate to our database like use my app. So that's how it works in the shell, and I already showed you that how you can use this MongoDB Compass to create or manipulate the database inside the MongoDB. And now you can use this IP address to connect to any application which you are going to develop on your computer. So guys, that's how you can install and configure MongoDB inside your Windows computer. In future videos, I'll show you how you can connect these databases with the front-end applications like React and Next.js, or with the backends like Express and Django. So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe to Tutorend. Stay healthy, keep coding, and keep watching Tutorend.